Give me a C. C. Give me a V. V. Give me an S. S. What's that spell? Bye bye bye. Goodbye to CVS. Oh, I'm really not gonna miss you. So we got into CVS on April 21st. First, that's right after the 20th, I think. April 21st, we had a put spread together, put credit spread. We had a $70 short leg strike, 68 long leg, put up $2,000 in collateral on 10 contracts with an expiration date of May 4th. We collected $360 for doing so. And the trade was like, yeah, I don't think I'm going to go with you on there. I'm going to go against you. But I was still thought highly enough about CVS and even considering owning it at $70 that we sold the long leg. We sold the $68 long leg, sold it closed, 10 contracts, and received $270 for doing so. On the same day, we then turned around and we rolled the $70 put, coughing up $70,000 in collateral, the 10 contracts. We rolled it out to May 12th. And for doing so, hey, we got $350 bills. Now, the trade kept going against us as far as the share price. The share price was going downtown to Chinatown. So on the next day, so May 4th, we rolled out that put. The following day, on Cinco de Mayo, we rolled it again. We rolled it from the May 12th expiration, another week out, to the May 19th, which again, it was only one day later, and collected another $350 for doing so. And then we just waited and had a good time and messed around and got a triple double. And then on May 19th, we rolled it again. The 10 contracts, we rolled it out to May 26th, and we got a big fat paycheck of $520 for doing that roll. And then on May 26th, which was last Friday, we rolled that thing out again. Roll out the barrel. This time, though, we collected $150 rolling out to today's date, which is June 2nd. But what did we do today? Did we roll it again? Drum roll, please. Nope, we did not. We bought that thing closed as it was approaching the $70 mark. And I'm kind of glad I did it at that time because since then it has pulled back just a little bit more. It was at 69.88 when I bought it closed, which I could have rolled the dice and let it travel through the rest of the day. But I just felt like CVS was not going to breach that $70 strike price. And I was ready to move on with my life. So we did that. We bought those closed, 10 contracts, and we had to pay $220 to do so. And then when we add up all of our totals, subtract what we had to pay to buy it closed, we ended up with a profit of premium of $1,780. So we have it down here in our profit category on the $70,000 collateral. So our actual return was 2.54%. Now, that doesn't sound like much money, but it was only in 42 days. So in 42 days, we collected 2.54% on our money of $70,000, $1,780 of actual spendable cash. Then we did our beep, boop, boop, did our math, and we came up with an annualized amount of 22%. So that's that. We did the CVS trade. We are now out of it. Bye, 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 as me and my friends in sync would say to CVS. And we'll look on for our next trade. I'm not even sure we're going to get one today based on what the market's doing. But here's everything I just told you in the history over on the Robinhood. So there's our credit spread for 360. There is our selling the long leg of $68 for 270, rolling for 350, rolling the following day for another 350, rolling out on May 19th for 520, rolling on May 25th out to a 6/2 expiration date for 150, and then today there are cost for those 10 contracts. We bought those back for a total cost of $220. So there is our CVS trade. Let's take a look at the market, freshen this up just a bit, just a tiny little bit. And we have Dow Jones up 680 points, S&P 500 up 62, Nasdaq up 139. Our friend Russ is up 52, and crude oil up 2.27%. So we've got a bunch of green on the board. There's only a couple of red, and I own both of them, or all three of them. Actually, Costco is down just a little bit. I knew. I should have messed around with Caterpillar earlier this week, and look what they're doing today. Hello, up 7.84%. So nothing looks crazy on the board, except maybe if you look down here at AT&T, which is at 15.11, Verizon at 34.50, both of which are down on the news that Amazon may come out with. On here it is right there. U.S. telecom stocks fall on report Amazon in talks for wireless service. So we don't have our hands in enough things. Now we want some wireless phones to sell people along with the service. So there we have it. There's the C, the V, and the S. We have some target calls to roll. So I'll be doing that shortly. Until then, have a great day, my friend.